Then, of course, there are those with very sharp eyes who begrudge us for what God has given us. They wish our oil was theirs. They wish our diamonds and gold and all we have by way of underground wealth, all that wealth they wish was their own. How can these natives continue to have that? When they look at us and America with its vast territory, with all those automobiles, the flying ones and the ones that run on our roads, the railways, the trains, and they say, the oil we have is not enough, the fuel we have is not enough to sustain us, not enough diesel. Let us store this, ours. There is loss in Africa. They don't know what to do with it in Africa. We will get it by hook or by crook. And they cause wars where there has been peace. Suddenly there is war. Suddenly there is war in Iraq, where Saddam Hussein, he might have been a dictator, but there was peace in his country. They want his oil. And Bush says, no, this man, as an excuse, he must open the door. This man is a cruel man. He is preparing to slaughter others. He has weapons of mass destruction. Bush goes to the United Nations. No, the United Nations cannot sustain it. No. Well, with or without the United Nations, I will go fight this man. He is a danger to the world. And sure, Saddam Hussein, they arrest him from his hideout, and they had him tried, they had him executed. Later, you know, Mr. Bush, we told a lie. But we know how to put it to the world. Now we have found that Saddam Hussein had no weapons of mass destruction. In the meantime, Bush and his brother had a company sucking oil in Iraq. These are facts. The same story is told about poor Gaddafi, killing civilians. This comes to the United Nations Security Council, Chapter 7. They get the NATO powers, the 2/3 majority. And there they go, all of them. Gaddafi is killed. Now look at the turmoil there is in Iraq. Look at the turmoil there is in Libya. All that to confuse the situation so they can have an excuse to go in and draw the fuel as we fight each other. They are busy drawing fuel and enriching themselves.